Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so we've seen some consolidation the last 4 to 5 sessions underneath the 20-day simple moving average here, the middle Bollinger Band, upper band, lower band. That's where it had bounced here and here. We have seen a breakout during Globex, and what it is, we've seen consolidation since we went up to test the 2875 weekly pivot. You see the Sunday gap down, up to test it. We've been battling over the top and bottom of it the majority of the week. We've seen false breakout, false breakdown, and it came back last night, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock at night, to test the weekly pivot, hold, and then on the Europe Open, they blasted it up over the top. And now they are basically, we're seeing the expansion out of this consolidation. I think with a breakout and 3 follow-up hourly candles, I think it's safe to say that we're seeing the resolution of this consolidation. So we talked about a couple of areas. We talked about the 99 area where it had failed here at 99.5 on Tuesday. It's broken above that. It is trying to head for this failure at the hourly mid-band. That was 29.2775. Then it gets back into the old upper area of the range, 29.32 to 34 range high from late last week. The fact that the bulls have broken it out, that's one thing. Now they actually have to get to work because there are areas to the upside that they are going to have to defeat if they want to get the, if they really want to get the move, if they really want to retrace this market back towards some of the higher prices that we saw in late July before the last Fed meeting and the large move down to that 27.75 back on August the 6th. So right now we are testing this red line. That's the 50-day exponential moving average. It's in and around 29.18. It had been difficult to get over back on the 23rd, 21st, 22nd. We actually engaged it for 5 sessions in a row here. So if they were able to close above the 50-day and then make a higher high tomorrow, that's probably the best price action we've seen out of the bulls in a while, and a real chance to take 29.50 and get up and test 29.61, which was the high on August the 2nd. As far as the open today is concerned, a retest of 29.12, even a retest as deep as volume weighted average price, which right now is 2,900 even, is not, out of the realm of possibilities. The thing that I'm going to be looking out for when we open is if we don't have any kind of a significant pullback, is this one of these days where they just want to take it and go? And everybody's going to be scrambling to get in and you don't want to get left out? Or is this gap up, which is right now right around 1%, and we don't open for another 2.5 hours, so it's tough to say where it's going to be then. Or is it going to be one of these days where we go ahead and we do a gap and then we kind of grind it out the rest of the day, and it's the thing where everybody kind of, they chop and they whip it around, but we really don't go anywhere. So you have to be mindful of that as well. There have been days like that this month, and that's a byproduct of seasonality. But look, you can't complain about the volatility that we have seen in the summer. It has been substantial. And as far as trading it is concerned, traders, we've been able to take advantage of it. It's been great. And that's going to continue into the fall. So I would encourage people as they wind up their summer and get into the fall, you've got to be looking at this stuff. It's going to be a volatile fall that you can harvest a lot of handles out of. So come check out the room. It's a great place to trade, and we've been having a lot of fun trading this stuff. We're very risk focused, and we spent most of yesterday talking about this weekly pivot, which kind of drives me crazy that they blasted it off at 3 o'clock in the morning. But sometimes I have to choose sleep. So after a good day yesterday and a nice little overnight trade into that move, I'm flat. I stopped worrying, and my suggestion to newer traders and even veteran traders is you can't stress out about not being in every inch of the market all the time. You're not gonna. You are not gonna. And the desire to be in every inch of every tape is going to cause you to make more bad decisions on balance than good ones. So this great big thing here, I missed it, and it is what it is. So we did 27 yesterday, 34 Tuesday, 26 on Monday, and we'll see what happens today. But you're not going to be in every inch of a volatile tape. It'll get you on the wrong side of too many moves. You got to pick your spots, and there's plenty of ways for us to make our 4 handle a day goal, in this kind of volatility. Sometimes you're going to miss them, and it is what it is. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. More stuff out on social. Come check us out in the room. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook, and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.